Hello and welcome back to Master Game Design, Unreal Engine 5, Stylized Environment and Third-Person Blueprint course. In the last lesson we left off with creating our map and game mode, and in this one we're gonna import Gideon character. So, let's bring our character. Gonna go to Epic, go to Library. There's some projects here, but what we want is our vault. So we're gonna search for Gideon, and we're gonna add this to our project. Now this will take a while. Right. And it's finished, it's added to our project. If I did this quite fast, you just press add to project, you go to your project, you select your project and you press add to project. I didn't explain it very well. So we added it to our project, and now on the folders here we find Paragon Gideon. Let's color code this also, make it a nice green. And inside here we're gonna find our character. So what we want to do is go back to our third person character, select our mesh and select here the Gideon character. It's gonna compile some meshes, So we use the skeletal mesh of Gideon. Oh, more shaders to compile. Anyway, so what we wanted to use is use animation blueprint, and we're gonna use the animation blueprint of Gideon. There it is. And we need to do some changes to it. So I'm gonna open this up. How I found it easily, I pressed this little button here, browse to asset, and it led me there to Gideon animation. So first of all, let's go to the animation graph. Actually, not the animation graph, but the event graph. And whatever it says cast to Gideon, let's actually this, I'm not gonna use this, but anyway. Gideon has an animation montage that plays when it begins, and as you can see we are moving and it's playing this animation montage. It's not what we want. So let's just disconnect this, and I think that's it. We don't need to do anything else for our testing purposes. I mean, he moves right, he strays right. Yeah, he jumps, fine. And we have our character. Okay, so I think this was it from, we would just disconnect this intro that was playing here, and if you want to enable attacking the animations that he has, we just need to cast to third person character here, and I think if we copy the code from Gideon to attacking, like if we go to the blueprint of Gideon, open this, as you can see this follows the old style of inputs. But anyway, if we copy this here, we can have the animations. Let's create this variable, create this variable, create this variable. So yeah, I think this was it. If you want the animations, attacking, and you can do whatever you want with them. There was an error. think we need to bind this action. It was on bind even attacking, and I think attacking doesn't even exist here. Is there event attacking? No, there isn't. So basically we just need to bind it on now. You know what? It's easier to just do this for now. Just gonna copy paste this. Attacking. Just gonna cut this and put it in the end of this long sequence of events, which is what it does. What this does actually, it updates some variables. Gets the information from the character. So instead of binding on an action, I just cast to the third person character and got the variable attacking, which is the variable we created here by right click create variable. And now we have attack. We have the attack animation. It's a little bit bugged because I really want to solve this. Why we are binding on the character. Let's go back to the blueprint. On the event graph. Let's undo some more. Here we are. We are binding the is attacking, and the code says that when your attack, save attack, is attacking combo. So I'm guessing there is a call that resets. Yeah, here it is. So if we change this to third person, this should work. I cannot use the combo attack save from Gideon character because it's a different blueprint. Just because they have the same function, if it's not in a library, it's not gonna work. It needs to be a shared function to work on both. Set combo. Anyway, so yeah, what we needed to change, I think, is just this, the third person calls here. And what is your issue? Your issue is attacking. I fix it. Okay. So now we have the motions of attack. Okay. So we brought the character. We have some motion. It's a nice practice. And that would be it for this one. Goodbye.